What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I 3D printed a body for the Kyosho rb7 F1 car 1/7 scale. Come out pretty good. I found this body on Yegi 3D site. I just scaled it up to fit over a 1/7 chassis because this is originally for a 1/10 car. Got a little exhaust deflector there. Push the oil away. Not too happy about this lip here. I'm thinking of 3D print another piece and have it sloped down. Just in the slicer, cut that top piece off and glue it on there and get rid of that lip. I don't know yet, let's see. But the engine runs, it all runs. Got some biggish wheels on it, bit smaller ones on the front, bigger on the back. This thing hasn't got much ground clearance. There's about 5mm ground clearance with these big wheels on. So I'm going to be running this soon guys. That's 3D printed, this is 3D printed, that's 3D printed, that's 3D printed, that piece is 3D printed. Anyway guys, like, subscribe, comment and all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys on another one.